Hello Muggles and welcome to my Harry Potter kitchen. If you've been following along so far, you'll know that I'm baking my way through the Harry Potter series, making a recipe for every food and drink item featured in it. Can you believe we are already on episode 10? I can't, it's been an incredible journey. I can't wait to see what is next. But before next Monday's episode, I've got a quick recap for you so you can catch up on all the episodes so far. Episode 1 was an edible cereal bowl for Dudley. Cocoa Pops, marshmallows and a gravity-defying milk splash made this an incredible start to the series. In episode 2, we made some delicious Belgian buns for Uncle Vernon, which he got on his break at work. And of course, we gave them a Harry Potter twist with some iconic red cherry lightning bolts. For episode 3, we went super size on a high street classic, the Krispy Kreme donut. A homemade Krispy Kreme is crisp on the outside, super soft in the middle, and an all-round great treat. Episode 4 was wonderfully British as we made some homemade tea bags for Aunt Petunia. These homemade tea bags were infused with Hogwarts-inspired flavours, which make them the perfect treat for any Harry Potter fan. Episode 5 was Dumbledore's favourite sherbet lemons, a homemade candy that is both sweet and sharp. In episode 6, we had a bit of fun turning the traditional English breakfast into a Harry Potter inspired fry-up. It's the perfect meal for Dudley's birthday and for any Harry Potter fan. In episode 7, we had another super size recipe, this time a giant chalk ice, which is a British classic which I couldn't wait to eat. For episode 8, we had another frozen dessert, this time lemon and black pepper ice lollies, which are super refreshing and I can't wait for summer to try them out again. In episode 9, we made the ultimate Harry Potter sundae inspired by our traditional Knickerbocker glory. 4 ice cream flavours inspired by our houses with some fruit and whipped cream made this a dessert to die for. And finally, last week in episode 10, we raised a glass to Uncle Vernon as we made a classic Metropolitan brandy cocktail. Cheers to the first 10 episodes, and here's to 10 more. So there you have it. That is a quick peek at all the recipes so far, but if you want to see more, make sure you click on that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get an alert every Monday when there's a brand new recipe. That's all for now, but I will see you next week.